Hi friends! Today for science, we're going to go on a scavenger hunt. I have my clipboard and my list of things to do, and we're going to try to find all of these things. We are looking for something hard, something purple, something rough, 2 different leaves, something green, something that smells good, something that rhymes with hog, use 2 sticks to make the letter X, something yellow, and something you think is a treasure. Here we go. I think I found something purple. Look. This is a beautiful flower called phlox. Would you think that's purple? Yes. All right, let's check it off of our list. Good job. Okay. Oh, I think that's yellow. Look at this yellow flower. That's a dandelion. So it's yellow. We also have to find something that smells good. Let's check. Oh, that smells amazing. All right, let's check both those things off our list. Something that smells good and something yellow. Yes! Oh, look, I found 2 sticks. Oh, look. I bet I can make the letter X. That's what my list says. So let's try it. Lay it on the ground. Did I do it? Yes. So let's check that off our list. Use 2 sticks to make the letter X. We're doing awesome. Time to find different leaves. I think there's a lot of different leaves. Oh, guys, come closer. Look over here. There's a really big leaf. It's bigger than my hand. And then these super teeny tiny leaves. Would you say that's 2 different kinds of leaves? I think so. So let's look on our list. It says 2 different leaves. So we found 2 different leaves. We were able to check that. And these leaves are what color? Green. We are doing awesome. So we need to find 1, 2, 3, 4 more things. Here we go. Oh, wow. What a cool wall. It's almost as tall as me. Wait a minute. This is definitely hard. Let's see if we can hear anything. Ouch, that hurt. And we need something rough. Oh, that is definitely rough. So that gets us 2 more things off of our list. Something hard and something rough. The next things we need to find are something that rhymes with hog and something you think is a treasure. Oh, do you guys know what this is? This is called a pine cone. See how the end of it almost looks like a flower? Inside, protected by all these wood scales, are seeds that grow into this super tall tree. Wow. A pine cone is definitely going to be something that I think is a treasure. So that is on my list at the bottom. And I just have 1 thing left. Something that rhymes with hog. I'll have to keep looking for that. So I had to find something that rhymed with hog. It's dog. That was the last thing on our list. Let's check it off. We completed our whole list. I can't wait to see what you guys find.